All right, let's do a quick tour of the garage. We'll call this a walking tour, but just kind of standing in the corner to give you a good look at the garage. Here's my full HVAC unit, but I also have a little mini split over there that's air conditioning and heat. But check out this layout. I've been working on this garage since January of 2024. As of today, it is Easter weekend of 2025, but I've put so much work, and I've tried to put up some videos, but let's do it. So HVAC and mini split system in here. You need to have a full-on dehumidifier to keep it dry in here. Banksy painting, it's fake, but full couch I got in here, 86-inch TV, a poker table. Actually, I have two poker tables. One I store in the parts room over there, but over here, it's kind of like a little kitchen area where I've got sink, microwave, plugs for outlets, charge your phone, a little kitchen area with a full fridge, a little bathroom over here, but some cool signs. Over here is, I did all the flooring myself. I did the lighting myself. I had someone else do the electric work because I'm not completely crazy, but Shelby GT500. This is a 2007 Shelby GT500. I absolutely love this car. I want to say it's Aura blue, crystal blue with white racing stripes, but on battery tenders. These are the battery tenders I use for every single car except the Corvette 2019 Corvette Z06. I'll show you back there, and the McLaren, but you can see I have it on this. This is a 2010 Corvette Grand Sport. This is a manual transmission car, convertible top. This thing is priceless to me. I mean, I bought this car for $45,000 last fall. That's fall of 2024. And it has 10,000 miles on it exactly. It is super clean. This paint is called Jetstream Blue. If you remember, I had a 2008 Corvette Z06 that was a C6 in Jetstream Blue, but I really wanted the convertible top. And you can see it's got, I'll open it up here. You can see it's got manual transmission that I really love, the Grand Sport floors, super clean interior. I really like this car. Really comfortable. And I daily drive all of my cars. I haven't taken this one out yet this year because it's a little early and it's been cool / raining. But take a look at this engine bay. So this is a super clean engine bay. I mean, you could eat off of this. It's super clean in here, but I like to keep my cars as clean as possible and always on battery tenders and to get them maintenance or get the maintenance done regularly. The flooring in here is just race deck flooring. You can see they're like 12 by 12 tiles that took forever to put together. The lights I got from Amazon, I think they were cheap. They're only like, I think $800 or something like that. And then I had to assemble them all together. Let's keep cruising. Some flags out here for cars I either have or cars I may get in the future, but over here is more full race deck flooring. The 2019 Corvette Z06. This is what I'm taking out today. It is filthy and needs to be washed, but as you can see, the running boards there in black have water marks and dirt all over it, but I'm gonna do a review on this. This is my first crack at doing car reviews, but I thought it'd be fun to do a video of some of the cars that I have and share with you guys. But let me know in the comments if you have cars you want me to do reviews on or cars that you like or any questions. I'm an open book. I'm happy to answer anything. This I just got 2 months ago. This is my 2020 McLaren GT. So this car is freaking amazing. It's so fast. So this has a 4-liter twin turbo V8. I think it's the same V8 as the 720S, but this is a 2020 McLaren GT. You know, you can see it's got the same, you know, butterfly doors that all the McLarens have. It's super clean interior, 10,000 miles, super nice. I'll even show you the back hatch. So you can see this comes up, and they say you can fit a set of golf gloves in here. I don't know if that's legit or not. This is like a little privacy thing, but love the forged carbon in here. It's super nice, but these panels pop off. I saw another YouTube video. All of these panels pop off and the engine is underneath there. So it's pretty cool to see, and you just close it right there. You could take this to the groceries pickup, grocery store, whatever. It's super practical, as practical as a McLaren can be, but this car really competes with like the Aston Martin DB11. It competes, supposed to compete with like a Bentley Continental. Soft closed doors. Absolutely love this car. Probably my favorite car in the collection. Moving on. This is a 2011 Audi R8 V10 Spider. Forgive the dirt. All these cars need to be washed. I've been driving the crap out of them. That's a big thing. I won't buy cars that I won't drive. I would love to have like a Ford GT someday, but I don't know. I just feel bad driving some of those classic and collector cars. But 2011 Audi R8 V10 Spider with a manual, gated 6-speed manual transmission. I'll show you here. Pop the door. So I bought this car in 2011 with I bought this 2 years ago with 25,000 miles, and you can see I've got almost 40,000 miles on it now. But carbon fiber everywhere in here. I put a brand new GT steering wheel with a white racing stripe. I did that myself, which was kind of scary. I did some YouTube Shorts videos on that, but gated 6-speed manual transmission. I love the clicks. I also put my own I put an aftermarket stereo system with wireless Apple CarPlay. I did these R8 laser lights in there myself too, but this is super comfortable, such a great daily driver, and I love rolling through the gears of the gated 6-speed manual. Absolutely love that car. Super clean. Use the same battery tender as I do on the other cars. Let's see what else in the garage. Oh, this is my 2021 GMC Sierra Denali. Is kind of like my daily driver for like my kids' car seats and stuff. Did put a new insulated garage door in here. It used to have like one of those like chain roll-ups that was like right here. You had to pull a chain and it was a steel door. It was freaking terrible. But coming back in here, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I absolutely love this garage. Over here you have, this goes up to the second floor. A little spooky up there, but it's just unfinished. And then over here is kind of like the parts room, if you will. Security system, thermostat, all that. But this is kind of like a parts room, second poker table. The whole building used to be this. I call it old man beige, but I thought black made it look so much sicker. Let me know what you think, but I was thinking about getting like more neon signs in here, maybe like up there next to the TV or some in here, but let me know what you guys think. All right, so this is like the parts room, like I mentioned. Not much to really talk about, just storage. And then there is a front office over here that my brother said would be awesome to turn this into a golf simulator, potentially. That's kind of it, pretty cool. Yeah, that's kind of it, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll do some more videos, and like I said, it's my first crack at doing car reviews. So today I'm going to do a full review of my 2019 Corvette Z06, and I'll try to post that here soon. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. And like I said in the comments, just if you have any questions of anything you want to see with the garage, any of my cars, the price of the cars, what the maintenance prices are, I'm happy to go through all of that. I did just get the R8 service and it was like freaking $8,000. It needed so much work, but it's perfect now, running like a champ. All right, have a good day.